Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix stem option not showing on TikTok. So if you also want to fix stem option not showing on TikTok, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So there might be various reasons why your stem option is not showing on TikTok. The first reason might be because this option is not enabled for you. In that case, what you have to do is launch open TikTok application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here TikTok application has been opened. Right now I do not have the stem option. So in order to fix that, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. Now what you have to do is tap on the menu icon, that is 3 lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Tap on the option settings and privacy. Now you'll be led to the settings and privacy interface. You'll be able to find several options related to settings and privacy over here. In the section for content and display, over here at fourth, you'll be able to find the option for content preferences. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to see various options for content preferences over here. You'll be able to find the options like filter keywords, restricted mode, stem feed, etc. Tap on the option stem feed. You can see over here right now it is turned off. So tap on the option turn on. Now the stem feed is turned on. Simply go back. Now in the home interface, you can see right over here stem option is showing. If you tap on it, you'll be able to access the stem feed. After doing that too, if stem option is not showing, what you can do is clear the cache of the application. For that, what you have to do is launch open settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. Over here what you have to do is tap on the option apps. Now you'll be able to see the apps over here. Find the option for TikTok and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the app info interface of TikTok. You'll be able to find several options over here. Find the option for stories and cache. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the stories interface. You'll be able to find the options like clear stories and clear cache. Simply tap on the option clear cache. Now the cache of your TikTok application will be cleared and now your problem should be fixed. But still, if stem option is not showing on TikTok, what you can do is update the application. Sometimes this option might not be available for you because your application is not up to date. So in that case, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Search for TikTok. You'll be able to see the results over here. Over here you'll be able to find the application for TikTok. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, uninstall and update. Simply tap on the option update. Wait for a while. Now you can see over here TikTok application has been updated. Once the application has been updated, you'll be able to find the open option over here. That means your application has been updated. Now your problem should be fixed. You can go back to the TikTok and check for the stem option. Now stem option will be available for you. So that is how you fix stem option not showing on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.